Ciao ragazzi, bentornati su Pandino Matto di nuovo. Scusatemi se non ho portato video in questo periodo, perché c'è stato un brutto tempo, purtroppo i miei video si fanno sempre fuori. E comunque non vi preoccupate che in questi giorni porterò un'altra macchina. E oggi stiamo andando in una tour organizzata da Gasolina Brothers, dove vi farò vedere una macchina che è stata restaurata ed è la macchina di uno degli amministratori del gruppo. E sono curioso di vedere come è venuta. E nel frattempo ve la faccio vedere anche a voi. Come avete visto sono sulla Honda Civic, e la sto portando per la prima volta a una tour di Gasolina Brothers. E ci sono novità anche per la Civic, compreso il motore K20, che mi arriverà domani. Farò un altro video dove ne parlerò meglio. E niente amici, ci vediamo dopo in questo lavoro. E spero che vi divertiate a vedere il video. Mi raccomando, iscrivetevi e condividete il video. Ciao amici!
Ce la faccio andare a quella lunga che non facciamo. Hai visto?
Welcome to forever, man. Let's go. Come on. It's forever. No surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. Go. And there will be no surrender. Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J.O. N to the easy E-N. Know that we undefeated. Y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance, but his lines are overhead. Better check the air for clearance. Call the tower. This is ours. Clear the heat. The air apparent. Really, I've never been better. Legacy. This is forever. All the more times I've been severed. I'm raising the bar. You can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast. Time that we welcome to go. Yo, we're just leaving. I think about time that somebody go get them their coat. You know I got all that anthem. Come back in. What you call that add-on? Got anthems and bands with masters. Getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time. This is forever. Remember the legend. He never gon' die. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Dead than alive. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. Just making sure that you know why. Because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. surrender. It's forever. You know, this right here forever. I am just leaving a legacy. I am the one that they paid to see. Got something to say to me, say it. You know I've been waiting so patiently. This is my legacy. Y'all don't believe me, then wait and see. Basically, I have been running things. You can just go on and take a seat. Love when they hated me, put that on everything. Not on my level. You can't be the enemy. This is the plan that we showing them anyway. Hit up the lawyers and give them the NDA. Woo! This is the brand new. This is the brand new. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can't do. And there ain't no thing that you'll be taking from me, man. That came from nothing. Made it something. Name is buzzing. Call me Ryan Gosling. Hey, gon' know that they gonna love me more when I'm gonna retire the throne. The kind of things that I'm on, gonna be feeling like a god, because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever.
I'm bigger dead than alive, bigger dead than alive. I'm bigger dead than alive, dead than alive, yeah. I'm bigger dead than alive, bigger dead than alive, la. Making sure that you know why, because this is really I never been better. Legacy, this is forever. Really I never been better. Legacy, this is forever. Really I never been better. The legacy live on forever. Yo, remember the legend and know that he never surrendered,
because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever.
Turn their backs in the past, now they wanna come back. Too bad, I'm not practicing forgiveness. Realize that they fucked up, now they see me get some. Can't eat while you standing in my kitchen. Yeah, I remember when you talked down, hands out, thinking that you getting some odds now. If you weren't there for the grass rules, I can't let you in, I'm sorry to break the
Okay, they still up in that beta stage. This should go and wake them up. 200 for a saving grace. I feel I wasn't paid enough. Predicting what I complain about when Ollie catch a major buzz. Hundreds too freshly pressed. Watch out for the paper cuts. The dude working, the tour coming. I'm poured up. The new burden is getting room service in foreign tongue. Boarding a Bombardier to fly to where I'm born from. And when I land a bad Insta influencers swarm us. Women, they loving the dude. I can't fall or bear the thought. I fuck him, it's something to do. They quick to have the marriage talk. And no one can fit in my shoes, so they watch it where I walk, but can't mimic. They cramp sprinting the cash system. I was born for it. 4th and inches, I'm going for it. I can't wait to trade for the skate for foreign plates. 4 mortgages, all of them out in Florida. There's gotta be more to this. Can't bring you if you ain't on the list. Turn their backs in the past, now they wanna come back. Too bad, I'm not practicing forgiveness. Realize that they fucked up, now they see me get some. Can't eat while you standing in my kitchen. Yeah, I remember when you talked down, hands out, thinking that you getting some odds now. If you weren't there for the grass rules, I can't let you in, I'm sorry to break the bad. When I get a mansion up in the canyons, I'ma go pass this shit to my dad. I'm putting my mama on the yacht, putting Sebastian up in the fastest. With the jag back to Jacksonville, get Stephanie Cabal. Cause when I'm on and I don't give a fuck, I'll definitely need it all. Not just talking, I got a knack for making it come to fruition. Came in thinking you get famous, boy, I've come to do business. Seen a ton of all of it happen, they only fuck if you winning. Pussy or push me into distraction, can't keep none of you winning. Don't be turning on them read receipts, hoping that you teasing me. Jokes on you, bitch, you're not the only.
Ragazzi, spero che il Raduni questa sera vi sia piaciuto. Come avete visto c'erano tante belle auto, specialmente le Eclipse bianca di Simone che stanno totalmente restaurata. E anche la macchina di Dario, la 206 che è bellissima. Spero che vi siate divertiti anche voi a vedere questo video. Mi raccomando, iscrivetevi al canale, condividete il video, così altre persone possono vedere quello che faccio. Schiacciate la campanella per le notifiche, ogni volta che esce un video così starete aggiornati e ci vediamo al prossimo video. Ciao amici!